Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Headspace how to use code. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you have a promo code or voucher for Headspace, what you need to do is head over and open up your web browser, and then on the search bar simply type in headspace.com, and then once the homepage of the Headspace loads, all you gotta do is simply tap on this 3 horizontal bar, then tap on login to simply log into your account. Now once you logged into your account, enter your promo code in the provided field. Then once entered, click redeem to apply the offer. Now follow any additional prompts to activate your subscription. You can redeem via the Headspace app as well. Simply head over and open up your Headspace app, and then once you are here, most codes must be redeemed on the website, not in the app. However, if you purchase the subscription through the App Store or Google Play Store, it may apply automatically. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon in the next one.